Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Brave on Windows 10. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type for Brave. Download. Then click on Download Brave. So on the top right side you can see here is Download Brave. You just have to click on it. So right here you can see it has been downloaded. Click on this. It has been installing. It's a very simple process. You are gonna do it really well. It may take a little time. Now here, click on Set Brave as default, or you can click on Maybe Later. So Brave has been installed and downloaded on your PC. That is how you download Brave on your PC. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.